Hey there, this is Simon Rice, Vice President of Enterprise Services at Cintra.
This is Luca Giannone, Oracle Architect.
So we're here at day 3, the Tuesday at Oracle Open World, and while the keynotes may not have been as revolutionary or noteworthy as the last couple of days, we've been out there on the convention floor in the exhibition halls learning about some cool new technologies and some cool updates from Oracle that we wanted to share with you. So on my side, I spent a lot of time with the storage team talking about ZFS, and particularly how ZFS can act as an insurance policy with the Oracle Cloud, leveraging its highly multi-threaded architecture to benefit cloud workloads, but also presenting cloud storage to ZFS as an additional ZFS storage pool, which was a very cool new feature which is coming out soon. The other group that I spent a lot of time with was Actifio, who provide a very similar data virtualization layer where they can put either a hardware or a software controller in front of your existing storage or a cloud architecture, take your production backups and reuse those backups for development and test clones, for data redundancy for your backups and your disaster recovery. And we literally saw a demo where they took a backup from an on-premise production database, dropped it into the Oracle Cloud, and within 3 minutes spun up clones of a 1.1 terabyte production database. So very, very cool technology there that we're going to be featuring more in a webinar in a couple of weeks as well. How about yourself, Luca?
Well, today has been all about consolidating databases in the cloud. So we done a kind of a ranking of the most powerful technologies in the Oracle Cloud to consolidate the database. I would say if I had to do a ranking of the most performant to the less performant to the most performant, I would say probably the less is the database as a service, because probably you would use it just to consolidate test in their environment. Then there is the infrastructure as a service. Then we got the bare metal cloud. We just got out of a session talking about the bare metal cloud services for database consolidation. And then you have the most powerful of them all, it's the Exadata cloud service. About Exadata cloud services, I had an interesting session with one of the good old guys about the Exadata, talking about Kerry Osborne, that showed us how the Exadata, how the performances of the Exadata on-premise are the same as the Exadata in the cloud. So you say, wherever it is, Exadata is still Exadata. Then you have to think also about the fact that when you go to Exadata in the cloud, you have not only all the Exadata features, not only all the database features, you have also for free all the database options. So I'm talking about all those options that are too expensive sometimes to be bought. So you won't probably buy the in-memory option. In this case, you can do it. You can consolidate and you can exploit the new powerful options for galaxy or EWG. This is basically.
Cool, thank you, Lucas. So we're going to be back, as I say, in a couple of weeks with a wrap-up of everything in a webinar format. We're going to be back again tomorrow with our updates from Wednesday. And in the meantime, we're going to go and enjoy the San Francisco sunshine. So thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.